Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me again, and here's another update on the 1964 Dodge Custom 80. Honestly, I wouldn't really call this an update because I'm not really doing anything to it. Today's video is going to be a walk around of the car because I think one of my viewers wanted a walk around of the car, so I'm just going to pretty much do that today. So pretty much, as I said, I just brought the car over to the park, and we're just gonna do a little bit of a walk around with the engine on also. Alright, so I'll just start the engine up. Pretty clean, aside from the door rust. Got the window down for that hardtop look. And here's what the exhaust looks like. It's located just under here, just before the axle, right up there. It's dump before the axle. Here's the rear view of the car. Yeah, I'm almost thinking I'll just ditch these hubcaps since the car technically has like a really meaner look to it now, especially with the new Borla exhaust. Like, it gives off a different vibe, like it's foreboding and ominous. I'll let you take a look at the engine. So pretty much that black thing back there, the booster has been rebuilt, and that's pretty much what came back just recently. And it's been working pretty good. And you are also probably wondering that huge hole that was there on the where usually the heater core was. I got that heater core back in and I put some sealant in it because I couldn't really find a sufficient replacement for a heater core. So, and honestly, I didn't have enough money to get a record, so I just stuck that one back in. And I tried some of this product called K-Seal, and it worked pretty well. Here's a rear emblem of it. Or rear emblem of the car. I'm gonna rotate the car around so that the rear comes up on the what is it? Just pretty much comes around in the sun. See if I can do this with one hand. Rotated, so you'll get a better, I guess, perspective on things with the sun shining toward the rear. Unfortunately, now my shadow's in there. Oh, and if the exhaust sounds like, maybe kind of sounds like an exhaust leak, it's not an exhaust leak. Just the camera just can't handle the deep bass that the Borlas have. That's pretty much it. And there we go. I hope that was a sufficient walk around. If not, well, I do apologize. Yep, so please comment, rate, and subscribe, and yeah, thanks.